Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. This beautiful quilt behind me is called Cherish. We introduced this a couple of weeks ago and it sold out so quickly. We took a waiting list and the list was growing hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people. So many people love this quilt that we reached out to Clothworks and said, would you please print more fabric for us, do a special printing, and they have agreed to do that. So you are absolutely in luck. Today is a great opportunity. If you did miss out before, this is a chance now to reserve not only the beautiful quilt kit, but also the coordinating backing. Of course, it'll be a couple months now while they're printing the fabric and shipping it to us from South Korea. And then we'll begin the process of cutting those kits as well as the backing. The way a reserve works is you're able to say, yes, I don't want to miss out again. I do want to give you $10 deposit toward my kit and $5 toward my backing. And then when those come in, the fabric comes in, we get everything cut. Once everything's ready to ship, we'll bill you for the difference and head that your way with free freight in the United States and discounted rates internationally. If you will be joining us for this project, everything that we use to make that is on the table with us with our Creative Grid rulers. We have a special emphasis this time. We use our seam guide, the corner clipper, as well as the 4.5 inch. And just like we always do when we get ready to do patchwork, we make sure we're putting a fresh blade in the rotary cutter. We're grabbing for a fresh needle in the sewing machine, patchwork pins, a good thread, the normal things that help ensure our success anytime we're doing patchwork. While you're waiting for these quilts to be made, we did another project in the Cherished collection. Might be a fun thing for you to do now while you're patiently waiting for us to put your kits together. And it also helps your home coordinate so lovely. You have a beautiful quilt as well as maybe something on a dining table or entryway table to coordinate. So we are so excited that we're able to offer this to you once again. Grab your kit, your backing, maybe even the tabletopper kit, any notions you might need, and I'll see you soon on another video.